Today, we'll be discussing the difference between support and comfort, how comfort layers affect sleep, and how spring and foam work together to create the ideal comfort layer solution. We'll be joined by various experts from the bedding field, so please get comfortable and let's talk comfort layer. Joining us now is Mike Holmes, Managing Director of L&P Springs UK. Welcome, Mike. Mike, a common question we receive from our European customers is, where should I put the comfort layer? How do you help our customers decide how to layer a mattress?
Well, Ben, most customers design mattresses around two key component concepts, support and comfort. The support component essentially defines the overall firmness level of the mattress. This core component is the building block on which the rest of the mattress is constructed, and considerations here would be the type of spring, wire gauge, height, and coil count, for example. Comfort layers, on the other hand, are components which complement the build of the mattress in terms of the positioning within the customer's range, the commercial drivers and price points, and most importantly, the technological and scientific aspects of sleep and comfort. Comfort layers should enhance the overall performance of all of the filling layers to provide comfort, and therefore we suggest they positioned close to the sleeping surface. Leggett & Platt's product offering in comfort layers includes all of our latest innovations, which provide for the needs of our various markets, as well as allow our customers to differentiate their products.
Thanks, Mike. I'd now like to direct a question to the US. Tyson, how would you describe the difference between support and comfort for the US market?
Hey, Ben. Thanks for the question, and it's really a great one. You know, support and comfort are terms that get thrown around a lot, but they really have a big impact on the performance of a finished mattress. At a high level, support is how well tuned a mattress core is to the user's body weight. And comfort, on the other hand, is just simply how firm or soft it feels and how much pressure relief it can provide. Just to dive in a little bit further, talking about support, we really consider this to be the core or the building block of the mattress, and its purpose is to provide the proper structure to support the body. That support structure can be made of inner springs, whether that's open coil or fabric encased, or it could be made of foam. And the support really is a critical factor in finding a relaxed sleeping position that leads to a deep sleep and a good night of rest. The support layer really needs to provide just the right level of firmness and needs to work in tandem with the comfort layer so that we have the right balance between the sleep posture and the pressure relief. Comfort, on the other hand, is a little bit more difficult to define because it is such a personal thing. But I think everyone knows it when they feel it. And those varying definitions of comfort lead to a lot of choices in terms of construction. Again, it can be comprised of foam or memory foam, gel or latex, and all of those can work in tandem with a nano inner spring coil. We've had a lot of technology advancements in the comfort layer that have allowed us to add heat responsiveness and energy dissipation to those top comfort layers that really lead us to provide a pressure-free, neutral sleep environment. But really, like I said, this is a great question. These are important concepts that really need to be considered because they have a large impact on the final performance of the finished mattress.
Thanks, Tyson. Now that we understand the difference between support and comfort, let's turn to our partners at Peterson Chemical Technology. Vincent, what features of a comfort layer are beneficial to a good night of sleep? And what should we be thinking about when looking at comfort layer?
Hey Ben, for us at Peterson, the most important aspect of your comfort layer is the feel. I mean, the feel is the deal, as people say. So you really want to look for a material that you enjoy sleeping on every single night. At Peterson, we have technologies that can create a layer to anyone's liking. We create more bouncy type of a feeling foams or very slow recovery memory foams. Or you can combine any of our foams with a nano pocket coil to create a really unique feeling comfort layer. The next thing that you want to look for when looking for a comfort layer is thermal management. You really don't want your comfort layer to sleep too hot. Your body temperature when going into a deep sleep phase basically drops about 2 degrees. So you want to look for a material that enhances that process rather than fighting against it. Good airflow is really important for a comfort layer. So whether that is to very open cell foam or a nano pocket coil where very open cell structure, both materials are really great to have good airflow moving that heat away. The next thing that you can add to the foam in your comfort layer is a compressed heat technology, which we developed at Peterson. That helps to move that heat away when a material is compressed. Combined with good thermal management goes good moisture management. You lose about half a liter of moisture during a night's rest. So you really want to have a comfort layer that can move that water away very easily. The next feature that you want to look for in your comfort layer is good pressure distribution. Good pressure distribution of the comfort layer avoids peak pressures. Peak pressures is something that you want to avoid at all costs because peak pressures are going to slow down the blood flow in that area and ultimately they're going to wake you up. So go and rest on your mattress for about 5 minutes in your most favorable sleeping position and try to see if the material matches your body really well. If it does, there will be no peak pressures that you can feel when you lay down on a mattress, which are very important to have a good night's rest. And ultimately, you want to have a comfort layer that works really well with the remaining part of your mattress. You want to have a comfort layer that has a good transition from that top layer to the lower levels of your mattress, because that is going to combine the ultimate comfort with great support.
Now let's turn our attention back towards Europe. David, a sales manager for L&P Springs UK, you know the customers the best. How do you see customers using springs within the comfort layer?
Hi Ben. In the UK market, a growing number of customers are using spring components in comfort layers in several areas. Firstly, a nano coil or soft tech unit is quite often attached directly to the core unit. Multiple layers of units can be used and are extremely comfortable. And in addition to enhancing the desired comfort, spring layers also increase the overall spring count of the mattress, which is a key value proposition in the UK retail market. Secondly, they are used within the fillings layer where they complement other fillings used in the mattress. Often the spring unit is laid loose between other fillings and then held in place by the tuft when the mattress is constructed. Occasionally, spring components are also used directly below the sleep surface, where nanocoil units such as say a 2000 series by 1mm, that's 19 standard wire gauge, give a truly luxurious feel. Finally, springs are used as the fillings of pillow tops and comforters, where their low height, high resilience and sumptuous comfort levels make them an ideal choice. In addition, nanocoil components are ideally suited for use in rolled mattresses due to their flexibility. Spring comfort layers are also very resilient due to all springs being held under pre-tension in their pockets and meet customers' needs to reduce sagging and settlement, unlike traditional fillings. The active support provided by springs adjust instantly to your sleep movements, a further benefit over passive traditional fillings.
Thanks, David. That's interesting. How do they create this layer using both springs and foam?
Nanocoil springs bring some powerful performance improvements to the comfort layers of a mattress, especially when used in combination with a high-performance comfort layer foam. The combination allows for unique feels and superior performance in the mattress. Springs provide a more active sleep sensation. The resilience that is provided has an unmistakable feel for the customer and allows for an active, responsive mattress. Additionally, springs have a very open structure, maintaining pathways for airflow and moisture management. Even under compression, springs still provide large airflow routes that can help to channel heat and excess moisture out of the mattress and away from the consumer, helping to maintain a comfortable sleep environment. When used in the construction of a mattress, a spring layer has the potential to add some extra height to the build of the mattress for a similar price point, and when used with a high-performance comfort foam as a top layer, can provide a superb feeling surface with great depth at an affordable price. Springs are also a sustainable option to add into a mattress construction. At the end of the mattress life, the metal springs and the spun bond material supporting them can be separated into two material streams. Both of these materials can be recycled into new pocket coil constructions. Finally, it is the combination of springs and foam that can come together to provide a mattress with superior sleeping conditions, with a high performance comfort foam to create good pressure distribution by relieving pressure points, and springs to provide an active sleep surface with enhanced airflow and moisture management. A combined technology comfort layer provides a better sleep experience.
Thanks, David. Now that we understand the comfort layer is key to a restful night's sleep, let's go back to Peterson Chemical Technology. You guys are the scientists we rely on to further develop the comfort layer. How is Leggett & Platt using technology to make beds more comfortable?
Well, Ben, that's a primary focus of our lab work. We're constantly working to develop new testing and material technologies to improve bed design. We often find that new constructions or materials require new test methods to understand them. And new test methods give us a better understanding of how materials operate in a mattress so that we can improve on those. The combination of springs and specialty foam allows us to manage excess heat and moisture generated while sleeping by increasing the airflow of a mattress and providing pathways to liberate that heat. We created a brand new tester that allows us to measure the airflow of an entire construction while it's under the compression of somebody sleeping on it, so that we're able to ensure that we're providing the right sleep environment. This kind of testing has shown us that hybrid mattresses with base springs are able to maintain good airflow properties even under high compression. Using nanocoil springs as a transition layer allows us to get these airflow properties up into the critical heat accumulation zone just below the top primary comfort layers of a mattress. Additionally, nanocoils as a transition layer are able to improve the comfort of getting into or moving around on a mattress. We have a comfort rating test that we've developed to understand if a consumer is likely to experience feelings of bottoming out or uncomfortable transitions in a mattress. When it comes to material technologies, we work to provide the best in properties and performance. Our CoolFlow memory foam has naturally open cells to liberate heat and excellent moisture wicking properties to ensure fresh, dry linens and bedding. It has excellent compression properties, making it a perfect fit for bed-in-a-box type products. We've developed cooling technologies for foam, such as our hyperconductive graphite additive that has the ability to transfer heat at incredible rates. We have other cooling technologies such as copper, synthetic diamond, ceramic additives, all of which are designed to be incorporated into foam and provide cooling benefits to a mattress construction. Phase change additives and coatings that are designed not only to be applied to the entire mattress surface, but in targeted and specialized areas so that we can create custom cooling solutions. Our coatings are designed not only to have superior cooling performance, but also to be able to liberate that heat back into the environment rapidly to increase cooling availability. We work to smartly incorporate renewable resources into our products and technologies so that we can provide the best mattress technology available. It's this combination with Leggett & Platt, Elite Comfort Solutions, and Peterson Chemical Technologies that provides a wide array of resources to mattress designers, allowing them to create the best beds. Thank you, Ben.
For over 100 years, Leggett & Platt have been known as the spring guys. Paul in the UK, can you dive into the spring products we have available that work well in the comfort layer?
Absolutely, Ben. We have a great range of pocket sprung comfort layers, including Softec Micro, our glueless product Nanocoil, and if you're looking for something totally different, Bloom. Using fine wire technology, we can offer different spring densities and wire diameters, so customers can create models to hit different needs in terms of coil count and comfort level. All this makes pocketed comfort layers long-lasting, comfortable and coil count boosting. A major benefit of pocketed units such as Nanocoil is that they offer instant support as the coils adjust to your sleep movements. This is active support technology and it allows your muscles to relax in a more natural sleep position and helps you wake up refreshed. Also, the high pre-tension and quick recovery helps reduce settlement. I mentioned Bloom earlier, and in addition to traditional active support, Bloom offers an alternative. It's a smart response comfort layer with an initial gentle feel as it absorbs weight and a slow release recovery. It's pressure relieving, really comfortable and has a totally unique feel. Pocketed spring comfort layers work perfectly in combination with a supportive performance foam core, as they provide the responsive comfort to deliver a great night's sleep. We can work with customers to solve problems using comfort layers. Comfort layer coils with a high pre-tension don't compress totally, so when used with a performance foam core, they create channels for improved airflow and heat dissipation. Keeps you cooler in bed and waking up ready for the day ahead. Nanocoil is a great solution for bed in a box and roll pack mattresses. It can be folded, compressed and rolled, so it's ideal for this application.
Thanks, Paul. Now let's switch back to the US, where we market Nanocoil a little differently. Jason, you're Vice President of Product Development. Can you please explain the benefits you see from adding nano to the comfort layer?
Hi Ben, and thank you for the opportunity to discuss an additional feature of the Leggett & Platt Nanocoil system. When considering the recipe for a great mattress, we must remember thermal management, and that's where we get excited about how Nanocoil can help. By incorporating Nanocoil into the comfort layer of the mattress, we create an inherent air channel to promote lateral ventilation with the ultimate goal of removing heat from the mattress and keeping the consumer comfortable throughout the night. It's also important to remember what foam we pair with that Nanocoil layer, and that is where our friends at Peterson Chemical Technology can help with those decisions.
Thank you for spending a little time with us today to learn more about the ways we can help provide the comfort needed for a good night's rest. We'd love to have a deeper discussion to understand your needs further and to share our capabilities.